Okay, who are you?
I'm Super Owen.
Super Owen. And what can you do, Super Owen?
I put fire on my hands and I jump very high so long necks can't get me.
Oh, so long necks can't get you? You jump super high. Okay.
Watch.
Whoa! Good job. Let me see you shoot that fire out of your hand. Whoa! Cool. Where you going, Super Owen? Super Owen? Are you okay?
I flipped.
You flipped?
Super Owen can flip.
Super Owen can flip, huh?
Watch.
Whoa! Good job, Super O.
Super Owen.
Think he's coming back?
Owen.
Where are you, Super Owen? Super Owen! I think he's gone. Is he gone?
Super Owen.
He's back!
Super Owen to the rescue.
Super Owen to the
I
rescue!
have to save some people.
Okay, who are you gonna save?
I have to save some people. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Super Owen to the rescue.
He's gone again. He's gone again. Did you save anybody?
Yes.
Who'd you save?
A little girl here.
Oh, thank you. Is that the little girl?
Yeah. Super Owen.
Are you getting tired, Super Owen? What else do you have?
I have this giant book.
Whoa! What are you gonna do with that giant book?
I'll show you. Right here. I'll show you what it does. It's all about dinosaurs.
Oh, cool.
You can know about dinosaurs.
Whoa.
So what does this look like?
I see a volcano.
And is this a storm?
Yeah, those look like waves, right? Big waves?
That's a storm.
A storm, okay.
That's a waterfall and that's a waterfall.
Waterfall, cool.
Super Owen is going to teach you everything.
Okay.
Look at these jellyfish.
Ooh, jellyfish,
We're
cool.
just taking a break of reading a book.
Oh, okay. We're taking a break from being Super Owen? What's that? Jellyfish, right?
Look at this jellyfish.
I see that jellyfish.
Look at this jellyfish.